Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you one of my cryptocurrency trade. Recently I have started trading over cryptocurrencies, so from now onwards you will also see me trading over cryptocurrencies in the future. Previously I was trading over binary options only, but now I am thinking that I will switch on different asset class so that you can also learn as well as apply it in your live trading sessions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This was a trade I took yesterday, so let me explain you why I took this trade and why I am exiting on the current scenario. So first of all, let me explain you the trade. So you can see this is the daily chart. This is not a smaller time frame chart, this is a daily chart, and so each candlestick is formed in a single day. So the reason why I took this trade was very simple. What I did, I draw two trend line here. First one was from the top, and I will make it white and will make it also bold. So as you can see, this was the first trend line which I draw, and the second one was from the bottom, and I will also make it white and bold. So these two trend lines gave me this trading opportunity. The first trend line suggested me that now, as you can see, market according to the price action was on a major scale was in downtrend, but as you can see here, this is the lower low. I saw here that the bottom, you can see the double bottom here, and this is the higher low. So on a smaller time frame, if we only talk about this chart, I can say that market is trying to go in the upward direction. So the thought was that market will go in the upward direction. Now I need to find some evidences to support the statement. So what I did, I draw these trend lines, these two trend lines. The first one suggested me and shows me that yes, the market broke through the trend line and it is going in the upward direction, but this was the resistance. So in order to go in the upward direction, market needs support from the buyers also. So what I did, I draw a second trend line here from the bottom, and I found out that yes, the market is supporting, and you can see that this is a breakout of the resistance, and this candle was formed at the support level, suggesting one thing only, that market wants to go up, and that's why I triggered my trade after this candle finishes here. And you can see we are making a good amount of profit here. It's approximately $1,130, and the reason why I'm exiting this trade is very simple. My stop loss was, my profit was level was here, but when I go back, I saw that there is a whole number level beneath the profit line here, and I wanted to exit my trade here because this was the next resistance level, but as you can see, market is getting rejection from this resistance level. This is a whole number level. Let me draw it so that you can understand it. Okay, so this, okay, so this level, it's let me make it very precise. So this is 240 level, so it's a whole number. Now let me go back to confirm it. So you can see that market, my profit level was here because this was the resistance zone, but this is also a whole number, and when it comes to the support and resistance level, the whole number works very good, and that's why I'm seeing constant rejection from the same level. So what I think here is that it's better to exit my trade here because the market can reverse very sharply from this level, as this is a strong level. It was previously a resistance also. So what I will do, I will finish my trade here. I will close it, and we have made a profit of $1,065, which is quite sufficient for me. So this is the trading setup, and that's how I took the trade over this Dash cryptocurrency, and that's how I will trade in the future, and will update you and will explain you about my trading strategies. This strategy I'm trading over, this strategy I'm using over long time frame, because the price action works best when it comes to like daily chart and hourly chart, or we can say weekly charts. And on smaller time frame we can rely over the candlestick mainly, but on the bigger time frame the price action trend line works very good on these time frames. That's why I am using it. I'm also using horizontal levels. The breakout is also there, and the candlestick pattern was also there. So I'm using overall price action strategy, and there is nothing fixed about my strategy on bigger time frame, because I am starting to trade over these time frames. So with time I will improve myself and will help you also to get better with price action. So that's it for today, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. I hope that I have explained you completely about this trading setup. So hope for the best, and keep practicing, keep working hard. Good day.